If you're starting out in the nursing program, it's very helpful for you to work on some practice questions based on test-taking strategy. So you can search by strategy and practice applying the strategy to questions. So as you can see here, there's several subcategories. This will help you to refine your test-taking skills as you prepare for your nursing exams. And while we recommend that you do this early on in the program, you can do this at any time if you're having difficulty with answering questions and using those strategies. And if you notice, Angela selected study mode, which we recommend being the best mode, because what happens with that study mode is as you receive a question and you answer it, you will then immediately receive the rationale and strategy, so you can study as you go along. Okay, so now if you're a student in the nursing program looking for practice questions to prepare you for your nursing exams, we recommend you search for questions using the health problem feature. And this will allow you to go to a body system such as endocrine, for example, and then to filter again and choose questions. So for example, on diabetes, if you wanted all questions on diabetes, then you can filter them this way and receive all of those questions that the Evolve site has to offer. Now, if your program uses a concept-based curriculum, you can find practice questions based on the priority concepts. So as you can see, Angela has clicked on priority concepts, and then you have all of your concepts, and you can select questions based on the concept. And you can see in perfusion, we have 565 questions. Then for those of you that are near the end or at the end of your program and you're looking for ways to study and prepare for NCLEX, you can use Smart Study to filter questions based on body system and cover all concepts in one session. For example, endocrine. You could click on adult health, and then you could click on endocrine, and then you would receive 206 questions if that was your focus. And you're also able to select questions by the exam mode if you wanted to when you're preparing for NCLEX. You can select by 10, 25, 50, or 100 questions, and then select your category and then the area you want. And you can take 100 question tests for yourself to help get prepared for the NCLEX exam. And another Smart Study recommendation if you're preparing for NCLEX is to practice questions based on client needs categories. These are the categories identified in the test plan. There's 4 of them. So you'll be able to select questions based on each category. As you can see, physiological integrity has over 4,000 questions. So you have plenty of questions to practice with. You can also select based on level of cognitive ability or integrated process if you wanted. And these are all components of the NCLEX test plan. So you can select that way. And then lastly, you can find questions based on alternate item formats, such as multiple response, select all that apply, the fill in the blank, the hotspot, etc. And students tell us that they always have difficulty with the alternate items, especially the select all that apply questions. So there probably, if you selected multiple response, which are the select all that apply, you would find hundreds of questions on that you can practice with. And you will surely be ready for NCLEX and those types of questions.